Hi there everyone, Liam here, and a couple of weeks ago, or months ago, or even last year, Sean and I changed the Joy-Con on my Nintendo Switch because I had Switch Drift, Joy-Con Drift, whatever it's called. Anyway, spoiler alert for that video if you want to watch it. It didn't work. Recently, Pokemon Arceus, whatever it is, that's come out. And I've been playing it a lot, but it's been really frustrating because it's not so much drift, as in, for my Joy-Con, I would be walking, and then I would just stop walking, and then it's just been really frustrating. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to change again, give it another go. But while I'm at it, I'm going to change the shell, because my previous shells were filthy. I've had the Switch the day it came out. And yeah, it was just really dirty. So I've changed my Joy-Cons from this to this. Oh, see-through. Very sexy. So, have a watch, and see how it goes. So I already did the left one, obviously. Come and watch me do the right one. So, these are the Joy-Con replacements. Oh, nice little grip. Oh, I'm not too happy with that. Just kind of loose in the box, but we will see what they're like. And then the other thing was the actual shells I got. So let's see what you get in this box. So you get lots of screws, and screws and springs and scary looking stuff. Buttons, different colour buttons, that's good. Tiny little screwdriver thing, so I can use this for the Joy-Cons and the actual shells. And then the shells themselves, and they feel, well, they feel okay. They don't feel crazy good, but they'll do the job. They're probably better than the actual Switch ones. So there we go, guys. Both Joy-Cons working. The main reason I wanted to do this video was just because I look at loads of videos of people doing stuff like this and they make it look really easy, and I think, oh, I can do that, why not give it a go? And if you couldn't realise, I found that incredibly frustrating. There's one point I went away for an Angui. I think I just struggle with my hands. It is doable, it's done, they're working. I think it looks brilliant. Would I do the Switch body itself? I might do later, I might not, we'll see. But yeah, that's it guys, thanks for watching. Again, super frustration. This has took me about 3 hours to do. I was just sitting in silence doing it. It might be easier for you because you're not concentrating on a camera and things like that, so you can just kind of do it willy-nilly, but give yourself some time if you want to do this, and that's it. So if you want to see more things like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. See you later.